Welcome back. Now that we have our selections marked, what we're going to do is we're going to begin to label those selections. And so we're going to then take our first selection to the 5-minute point. We're then going to go to the edit command. We're then going to go to labels, and we're going to add label at selection. And we're now going to label that selection for however we want to designate it. Now that we have it, we can do the very same thing for the second clip. So we can highlight the second clip according to our selection. We're then going to go to the edit command. We're then going to go to labels. We're then going to add a label at the selection. We're now going to label our third clip, and we're going to do it according to our setup from the 10-minute point to the 30-minute point. And we're going to designate that label. And now we can label our final selection according to the way we designated that one. And so basically now we've prepared our recording for the final processing. So what we can do now is we can then take this segment and then we can then save a new project as final processing. And then we can click save. Audacity will save the new project data file, and we'll then be ready to move on to the next step. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.